Hello. Hi. How can you hear me? Can you hear my voice? No? Sounds okay, right? Okay, awesome. How are you guys doing? Oh, it's been a long time. I think it's about 2 months, right? Last time for the last live stream. It's 2 months ago. Let's see. Where have you been? I've been living my life. I got a lot of stuff to do. Personal life stuff. And I did reduce the frequency of my trading. Any new audience today? Or did you guys watch like my previous stream? Or are you new here? Let me check the internet. I think the internet is great. Because like I was living in an Airbnb before and the internet's crazy. Okay. I'm not in Hong Kong right now. Not in Hong Kong. And actually, December is like it's just like August, vacation period. Most of the people stop trading, so we got less liquidity as usual. I would say it's not it's not necessary to trade during December, but if you want to just lock in some trades for fulfilling the minimum requirement for trading days, well, we can do that. But to be honest, I'm not like aiming for large large profit during this December. Maybe in UK. No, I'm not in UK. I did think about move to UK before, but I probably decided to just skip this decision. I mean, guys, you see, if you ever watch my like stream before, you know I hate this kind of Asia session. You can see that, right? What happened during this Asia session? Fucking shit. We got large expansion. Malaysia is a good choice. It's actually quite good, but like the time zone. The time zone is a problem, you know. Asia time zone is always a problem. And okay. Oops. So in case some of you still didn't know that, Apex right now is doing a Christmas sale, early Christmas sale. So it's 90% off right now for all account size, but they reduced the price of those account size. So right now, all account size is only $19, not even 20. So even if you buy a 300K account, it's $20. If you buy a 50K account, it's $20. But for the lifetime PA fee, they also got a huge discount for 25K to 100K. So if you're buying a 50K account, all you have to pay is 65 PA fee plus those $20 evaluation fee. So like it's, to be honest, that's the cheapest price I've ever seen on Apex. Because back then when I trained my 20 Apex account, I have to pay $140 for the PA fee. Now it's 65. That is crazy. Why are they doing that to me? So if anyone want to try Apex, it's the best time to do so, because like we don't get 90% off all the time. You know that. What's your risk on a fresh funded 50K with Apex? Well, Apex is different, right? When I trade a end of day drawdown account, which is EOD, and TDD, which is intraday trailing drawdown, I got different approach. You sound like no furniture. I got every furniture I need. I'm actually using a standing desk right now from IKEA. I brought all of my furniture in IKEA. It was 6 PA fee last week. Yes, but the eval is expensive. You get to calculate the total cost, okay? You can't just see the activation fee and ignore the evaluation cost. Okay, so like right now the London Q-Zone starts. To be honest, I don't have much expectation for the London session today. But like I promised to live stream today, so I'm gonna go live no matter what. But with this Asia session, I don't want to change. I don't. I mean, what am I gonna do with this Asia session? But like, let's talk about price or any other things, right? Even if I didn't take any trades, I can still provide a lot of value, I believe. And guys, if you want to see, like, watch upcoming live stream or want me to live stream more, remember to subscribe and like this live stream, so I'll do more for free. You took I didn't took a 1.7. Well, like in total, yes. Account management matter more, does charging better? Can you give some tips on getting such big payouts? Yeah, of course. I actually trade those accounts on this channel, while live streaming in this channel. Do you need to pass before the day to get the 65 PAV? Bro, this is a 1-day pass eval. You can pass it in 1 day. Why are you gonna trade it with 1 month? No. For evaluation, you trade it in 1 day, okay? You pass it in 1 day. I mean, maximum, if they got consistency rule, for example, 50% consistency rule, you probably need 2 days. But like, you're not gonna need 1 week to pass an eval. you can't trade Apex anymore. This is a very funny question. I got so many times. I got asked so many times. Why would I still want to trade? It's not like I got banned or I can. It's why are you gonna trade it? What? Why? For what? So I used that example before. You finish your high school, so right now you're either going to work or you're going to college, right? And then your friend asks you, why don't you go back to study high school? Are you getting banned from the high school? You can't study high school anymore? It's just like the fucking same question, you know? Like you finish it. You finish it, why are you going back? For what? For fun? I mean, they offer me to trade their eval for like education purpose, but I don't need it. To be honest, I don't need it. If I want to do education purpose, I can trade other evals. I don't need to trade APAS anymore. I just don't have to trade. I finished the goal on APAS. Understand that? But like, there's so many people out there. They're cheated. They cheat with APAS, and that's why they got banned from APAS. Then that's what they're gonna do. They badmouth those platforms because they themselves break the rules, so they can't get the payout, and they tell you this is a bad platform. That's what they're doing right now on social media. You want to take the course and tutorial? Yes, I am actually gonna. I actually take a pretty long time to think about that. Should I really make a course or anything? Like, you know, because people are gonna accuse me as like a course seller or like a guru, a fake gurus, something like that. So I was thinking, should I really do that? Should I spend those time for that? Because like people, not many people willing to put in the work. Because I got a small tutorial group and I uploaded some of the videos before. I thought, I did try my best to provide value for them, but some of them, not all of them, okay? But some of the people, they didn't even watch the video. Like, what the fuck? I mean, like, I uploaded videos for a month, they didn't watch it. So I was thinking, should I really do that? That's the reason. Let me take a look. Oh, I mean, I still have to look at the price, right? Right now I don't have any trade idea for that. We are consolidating here after huge expansion. Okay, I'm back. What was I talking about? I've already forgot. Yeah, this session will consolidate. Of course, I mean, if you're not blind, you already know that, right? After this Asia session. Well, I mean, I promised to go live, so I'm here. That's the reason why. If not for the live stream, I think I would skip the whole London session today. Will you come live in NY session? Not today. Yeah, not today. Maybe in the future, yeah. Pretty simple. If you don't want to be accused as a guru course seller, then make it for free. You know what? Fuck you. You think my time can work for you for free? This is those kind of freebie you want, you know. My time is as precious as yours. You understand that? It's not even for work or the effort, it's time. Everyone's time is precious. Right? You work for your boss, you work for a full-time job, a part-time job, whatever it is. You get paid for that, right? So I work for you, and then I need to work for you for free. Is that even reasonable? I mean, if you have this kind of mindset, you will never be successful. I just have it because you think everything, everything have a cost. No matter it's a time cost or a price or anything. I mean, like for example, ICT mentorship videos. It's for free on YouTube. Did you watch it all? Did you watch it all yet? I bet you didn't. I bet you didn't. Because you want everything for free. You don't even want to spend your time. The most precious thing is time, not even money. Did you trade gold futures? No. I think I rarely trade gold. Back in I mean, like in 2023, I was still trading CFD, like forex. At that time, I did trade XAU USD, but like very rarely. I mainly focus on Euro USD and GBP USD at that time. Do you need to pay tax for the payout? I mean, you definitely have to fill in the tax, like what is that? Tax statement, or I don't know what it's called, in your tax residency country. I mean, I don't want to bore you guys because like the market's gonna be like that, like for the London session today. So we'll see what we can do for like other things. Which platform are you trading now? Mainly TPT, take profit trader. And they're now doing a 30% off. 30%. Let me see. Right. No, 100% tax refund. Let me see. So it's like so this is still ongoing. They extend the promotion. So you get 30% off for eval, and you don't have to pay for activation fee. And after you pass the eval, when you get your first payout, you will get 100% refund for your evaluation cost. So you basically get this funded account for free, for zero money. Yeah, for zero. Right now I use the Take Profit Trader and Tradeify, also Lucid. So these are the free platforms I'm trading with. But I gotta say, I'm not taking a lot of trade this month. I mean, I actually broke the inactivity rule. Like you have to trade in at least 15 trading days. And I didn't because I was busy on other things like, setting up everything and selling down, buying furniture, things like that, right? So I did felt a little. I think a few fund accounts for inactivity fee. This is just. I mean, I didn't even felt it for losing chase. I felt it because I didn't take any chase on that. That is ridiculous.啱 U grad 出嚟做嘢，早排拎咗第一次 payout，想請問有啲填嘅。呢個真係要揾翻你嘅CPA 問，係啦，揾翻你嘅。因為我唔係我唔係 test 持牌人，所以我俾唔到呢個 test 稅務意見俾你。And also today's everything on this live stream is educational and entertainment purpose, not financial advice. Well, actually, this morning we got everything with, these Asia sessions with all the sell side liquidity here. So right now, I'll wait for at least pre-NY for any setup. I mean, I'm not even looking for setup right now. Just not a very appropriate time to look for setup. I mean, if you want to trade your evals, yes, of course you can. But like funder account, probably just wait a little bit first. 都係廣東話正啲。而家淨係講廣東話冇人睇啊嘛，但係你明唔明啊？呢個時間大家翻工啊，香港人嘅話，如果我淨係講廣東話冇人睇噶，所以我都要講下英文。TPT only has intraday chart. No. On eval, it's end of day drawdown EOD, and when you pass it on the pro phase, it will be intraday for the first $2,000, which is 50K account. And after you pass the pro account like a few times, you don't have to trade that TDD stage anymore. So you can strictly go to pro plus, which is also EOD. So right now, when I pass a test account, I will strictly go to pro plus. I don't have to go through the pro stage. So it's gonna be forever EOD drawdown. 咦，真係好多香港人，我咩事嚇親？咦？嚇死！點解突然間咁多嘅？可能大部分，可能大部分都係，可能今次係啊，之前唔係㗎，之前真係英文人多啲㗎。爆倉係咪好 common？我唔會咁樣形容呢件事。eval 係咯 ，eval 一定係，因為 eval 係我嚟爆㗎嘛，即係 eval 你唔好慢慢 trade 咯。建唔建議直接打滿20個 50K？ 建議。但係你 pass eval 嗰陣時就分開 pass 咯，跟住過 TDD drawdown 嗰時候分開過，跟住呢兩樣嘢都做晒之後咧，就連埋一齊打。聽日 final exam， 喂咁後生嘅，仲有 exam 喎。You should ask if there is English people here 。爆咗通常開新 account 定係 reset 好？睇下邊個平啲咯。即係 for example 你 TPT reset 係平啲噶嘛，咁你咪用 reset 咯。而你 Apex 如果你買50K account， 你係買一個新嘅會平啲噶嘛，咁你咪買一個新而唔係 reset 咯，即係睇翻價錢。 In English, please. Is it Chinese or Japanese? Neither. It's Cantonese. And so I actually want to say, I'm gonna host a course, mentorship. It's not mentorship. It's actually a training camp. It's actually a training camp. On January. So it will start in January. But yeah, for the details, I will let you know on, I think, weekend. I will announce the details during weekend. And I'm not so sure if I'm gonna do English course because I'll definitely do Cantonese course, but like for English, uh, I'm not so sure because if I do both languages, I got double workload, so I'm not so sure. But just keep a close eye on my Discord and also Threads, Instagram. I'll announce it on this weekend.喂，好煩，唔好係咁 request 唔同 language 啊！相比其他 ICT 使用者，你的我又唔係話即靠如此的好嘅，咁又冇，即係我又冇咁吹到咁，即係我覺得我 OK 啦，我仲有好多進步空間。同第二名斷層，大家都做到㗎。我想講嘅係呢樣嘢，即係我唔係咩好特別嘅人，即係當然我好努力啦，我又花咗好多時間心機去學啦，當然呢個係真嘅。但係即係我唔係天才啦，又唔係咩精英啊，即係我唔係嗰啲咯，即係普通人嚟嘅，所以係大家都做得到嘅嘢。點解好多已經穩定 payout 仲要開咁多唔同 firm？因為你要 increase 你嘅 funding capital。即係 for example，如果我淨係 trade 5個 TPT account 嘅話，我想賺 for example 10萬美金，咁我每一個就要去 trade $20,000先做到，即係5個 account。但係如果我有廿個可以係分開唔同間 program 嘅啫，可能分開4間 program，每間5個，咁我已經易好多啦嘛，成件事。Could there be Chinese subtitle? Yes. Those Cantonese course like videos, I will add Chinese subtitle. So you understand it. If you don't understand Cantonese but only understand Chinese, you can still understand like what I'm talking about. But it's gonna be traditional Chinese subtitle, okay? Not simplified Chinese. Tuition fee isn't a problem. How come, bro? Apex PL 100萬用咗幾耐？我睇翻先，我真係唔記得咗，老實講。我好彩我有留底，我有即係佢臨去 delete 我啲 account 之前，我有留咗1-2個 account 嗰啲 trade record，好彩啫。我睇翻阿 Chase 啦。 撈唔到啊而家廿幾30日啦，我記得即係大概30個 trading days，我要數一數先，唔記得，但係咁上下咯。1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、11、12、13、14、15、16、17、18、19、20、21、22、23、24、25、26、27、28、29、30、31、32 32 trading days. And you know what? I think because I moved to Dubai in August, right? So I was on the way on my move, like relocation. So when you relocate to a new country, you get a lot of things to do. You get to settle the visa, settle the accommodation, traffic, everything. I mean, I was in between like that moment to trade this account. That was hard. That was real hard. Yeah, of course，我梗係全職 trader 啊。聲音有啲窒，我睇睇先。應該唔係我問題，應該係你問題。The course will be in Cantonese plus Chinese subtitle. And English course, I'm not so sure if anyone want to study my English course. If you want to, you let me know inside this call, because I have to have like enough people to want to watch my English course. Then I will make it. I mean, if only one people want to watch English course, then I'm not gonna make it. Okay, you understand what I mean? Because like if I do 2 languages, I gotta have a lot of workload. Price didn't move at all. You in Dubai as well? Okay. I know a lot of traders in Dubai live in Dubai. You can try to use AI to adopt the English. I can, because Cantonese is kind of like a special language. They can even like generate an AI subtitle for Cantonese. I mean, they can do it for Chinese, for Korean, for Japanese, but they just can't do it for Cantonese. I try it. Trust me, I try it. If I can do that, I have already done that, because it's not working. Those AI cannot understand Cantonese at all. You understand what I mean? Do you play poker? I play poker, but I'm stuck in poker. I always think my friends like play poker with me, they just want to make money from me. Because I lose a lot of money for playing poker with them. I don't know why, I'm just stuck in poker. Maybe they know me so well, so they'll know when I was bluffing or not. So yeah, I can't really hide my facial expression or anything or emotion. When they like take a look on me, they will know I'm bluffing. When will you launch the course up? So the start of the course will be in first week of January, but the application will be on this weekend or maybe next week. Because I believe like a new year, you want to have a new start, fresh new start. I mean, that is gonna be the perfect time to start your journey. I mean, like in late December, it's good to study during holiday, but just enjoy your holiday, Getting ready, getting prepared, take enough rest, and then we go straight to the start in January. 推薦新手邊個 YouTuber 邊個 video 開始？I gotta recommend the playlist in Discord. So you watch all those playlists, you'll be fine. You at least get a basic understanding for what day trading is, what ICT concept is. 中英雙語答問題啊 It's not a Q&A session. It's actually a live trading stream, but I honestly don't want to trade with this student say, what is this shit? I mean, not gonna take any trade. So it turns into a Q&A section. 個 course 會教乜？就直接係教我點樣 trade 咯，我點樣賺到錢，點樣賺到1M payout，點樣係咯。主要我係點做，我直接話俾你知我點做咯，就係咁簡單。因為我會覺得話，即係你話冇最好嘅 trading strategy，冇咩最適合你嘅，冇 holy grail。咁我預期要去諗嗰啲，我直接話俾你知我係點做咯。咁我係用呢一個方法成功咗噶嘛，事實嚟噶嘛呢個係，咁所以我直接話俾你知點做。咁你睇完，你係可以選擇跟住做，亦都可以選擇話我可以中間有啲嘢我想 adjust 下喎，即係可能我唔中意 trade learning session for example， 咁我可以用呢個方法去 apply 落 NY session 咁樣咯。At least in this stream, yeah, I won't trade. I mean, this is not a suitable timing for any trade. Just wait for. We get high impact news today, right? Let me take a look. It's Thursday today, so we got 8:30 high impact news on the employment claims. Okay, so then I won't trade pre-NY. Yeah, I will trade the market open in that case. One of the signature of Hong Kong people is the ability to switch between Chinese and English. I'm actually not very good at English. I mean, you can see my accent, you can hear my accent and the vocab. I'm trying my best here. Okay, I'm trying my best. Why do you buy tax-free? It's actually not because of tax, because in Hong Kong, our tax system is so simplified, simplified. I mean, you barely have to pay a lot of tax in Hong Kong. So it's only because of the tax reason it's not reasonable. Hong Kong accent, yeah. 我都想扮 ABC 㗎，但啲 accent 真係扮唔到，好困難。Are you still using Tracy now? Yes, you can see it here. I am using Tracy. So this is my Apex account, which is not now. It was the 1M account, one of the 20 account. So yeah, it's Tracy I'm still using. I would say if you really want to take the course, I hope you can commit to yourself first, because I really don't want to see those people you pay for the course but you don't watch the videos, or you watch 10 minutes of the videos and then just leave it there. I mean, if you didn't commit to learn, to study, no matter what I provide to you, you won't get it. It's just not much. You just watch the videos and jot notes. It's not that hard, right? I'm gonna speak in Cantonese and also. And if you are willing to commit, you'll be fine. I guarantee you will be like profitable. Are you still the record holder of highest Apex payout? But you can chat on Apex. You can chat on Apex.有冇咩目標？咦？我認得你喎，我睇你嘅 IG views 啊，有冇星河有冇同你講？有啊，有，係真係有嘅。即係呢個應該有學過啦，係嘛？即係有讀書應該有學過啦。咁你除咗你 fulfill 即係你有足夠錢去 fulfill 咗你個人嘅需求之外，其實你會想要多一啲，譬如 for example 滿足感啊、成就感啊呢啲咁嘅嘢。呢個都係其中一個原因，點解我會最終都決定好啦，咁嘗試下做教學。因為即係啲人會話我係咪瑞士山區費啊？係咪我賺夠，我而家俾幾人賺啊？就唔係呢啲嘅，即係因為有啲嘢係你淨係 trading，其實你係 fulfill 唔到嘅。有啲嘢係我唔知點形容喎，因為我自己都冇估到我會咁做。我之前係心諗唔好煩啦，真係唔好搞咁多嘢，可唔可以俾我？我淨係想過自己生活咋咁樣。咁但係實際上係你去到一個 level 之後，你係會想有其他嘢去實現。咁而教學係會做到呢樣嘢。我相信到你哋去到嗰一刻嘅時候，你哋應該都會有同樣嘅感受。係，咁呢個會係我覺得係最主要嘅原因。因為我自己都會得到唔同嘅嘢，除咗錢之外，我都會得到，譬如我成就感、滿足感呢啲嘢，都係我就咁 trading 係唔會感受到噶嘛。即係譬如人哋 appreciate 你嘅 profile 嘅 value 呢啲嘢，我就咁 trading 個 market 唔會 appreciate 我噶嘛，你明唔明？所以呢啲都係即係可能每個人可以唔同嘅，但係即係呢一個係咯，就會係我想做到嘅嘢咯。Okay, so right now we sweep this by security. Just not range is kind of too small. I just let it go. 一個 strategy 如果太多人會失效嘅睇法，唔係咯，咪就唔係咁，就唔係咁。 有冇人曾經接觸你邀請你管理資金？有，真係有，真係有，好癲！我都嚇一跳添啊！嚇！但係我覺得唔好啦。一嚟係，譬如你有 regulation 嘅 problem 有好多㗎，即係唔係真係話你俾夠錢我咁樣噶嘛？你要 set 成個 system 啊，跟住你要 fulfill regulation 要求啊，跟住同埋我係當我 trade 緊人哋嘅錢同 trade 自己嘅錢個壓力又唔同嘅，係咪先？你 trade 就咁，你 trade portfolio account 同 trade 你 personal capital 都唔同啦。咁所以我就覺得好似冇必要咁做喎。咁同埋你幫人哋 trade 嗰啲資金，人哋唔會好似 portfolio 咁俾90% profit split 你噶嘛，冇可能噶嘛。即係我俾夠錢你，跟住你我淨係可以拎到10%，冇可能噶嘛。所以咁又冇必要咯。咁但係要拒絕嗰啲係比較麻煩，係即係拒絕，即係啲拒絕嘅時候，啲人會覺得你係咪唔想幫佢賺錢啊？咁其實呢個都係一個原因嚟嘅，因為我以前做嗰份工係幫人賺錢嘅，即係唔 exactly 係 trade，但係幫人管理資金嘅。嗰啲人唔會 appreciate 你㗎咯，即係你幫佢賺咗錢，佢只會嫌賺得唔夠多咯。所以就係啲客太閪咧，我就會覺得，唉，其實我點解要幫啲客賺錢呢？其實為咩？我點解唔幫自己賺就算呢？Guys just don't bother the course language. It's so funny. Yeah, I think you're right. I think I'll just do the course in Cantonese, but add English subtitle, maybe. I don't know. But adding English subtitle is tired, is something very exhausting too. Do you keep the yes on the right for confirmation? Yeah, I want to look at like if we got SMT or anything like that. But it's not really applicable for today's market condition. Because you can see that, right? I mean, this price touched the 1 hour FVG, but didn't sweep this low, and then go higher to sweep all this buy side critique. That is not a very ideal setup for me. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button, okay? And subscribe. $2月仲會唔會有 perform discount？會有 discount，但個 discount 唔同咯，即係可能少啲咯。因為通常聖誕啊呢啲，即係 Black Friday 啊，都係最多 discount 嘅時候嚟。Did you move out from Hong Kong? Yeah, move out from Hong Kong. Okay, Tom, we got a new member. Welcome, Tom. 我而家係睇住個海景喺度 trade，呢個就係搬出香港嘅好處。 Okay. I mean, I'm bored now. I don't know if you guys feel bored, but I am. I'm so boring right now. I mean, I can't even take any trade. I mean, if I spend like an hour on a chart or like 2 hours on a chart, I want to at least do something. Probably not fund the account, but maybe eval. If like the market condition is not ideal, I will still want to like, at least pass some evals for backup. Just at least do something, you know. Do you want to CFD? You mean CFD port or CFD like broker? I don't know if you guys know that, but like for those CFD broker, those marketer, those influencer, I mean, I think it is all open. Like a lot of people on Twitter already understand that and know that you can adjust the number. So when they're showing you, I'm making, for example, I don't know, 1 million on my MT5, MT4. Actually, is they like they tell the broker to adjust the number on the back end. Is what they can do that for marketing. And so many forex traders are doing it on Twitter or on YouTube, Instagram. And it's something factual. I mean, a lot of people already understand that. So it's not I'm making up something, it's the truth. But on Ninja Trader, you can do that. On TraderVay, you can do that. I can like adjust the number on the back end. I can do it on TraderVay or Ninja Trader. But on MT5, MT4, Project X, you can do that. But I'm not saying everyone showing their MT5 is scammer. Not everyone. Definitely not everyone. If they live stream on their channel, they take trades in front of you, of course they're not scammer, right? But there are a lot of scammer using that method to show you their profit, which is not a real profit. Do you trade Bitcoin? No, no, I don't. I mean, I did hold some Bitcoin before, but I didn't hold it anymore. I just it's actually because of the regulation in Hong Kong. They got very strict regulation on crypto in Hong Kong. Back in Hong Kong, right now I moved right now, but like, yeah, I just don't trade crypto anymore. Two a.m. Eastern Time。12月會少啲嘅，因為十月真係冇咩嘢好做，真係12月會少啲，但係一般就係 2 a.m. Eastern Time。I don't like live streaming during New York session is because like it's night time for us for Asia. Even I'm in Middle East, it's still evening time, so it's just not morning, And live streaming is not like trading. You gotta talk, you gotta manage the stream software, you have to look at the chart, and also you have to take trades. Just so many things you have to do at the same time. So, I mean, I can still trade at night or in the evening, but like live streaming is kind of exhausting for me. Sorry，唔係 question 你嘅能力，我係想問點解你唔用 CFD 玩，要用 prop firm，仲要打到嘅利潤同呢啲同嗰啲no offence，跟住後面講一句係超 offensive 嘅嘢有咩分別你有冇睇我 YouTube 條片啊？睇翻第一條片啦，我都得2條片嘅啫，10分鐘你睇下先啦，好冇？咁你睇咗第一條片你就會明點解係 prop firm 而唔係 personal capital。就係咁簡單，係咪要加咗會員先？唔係啊，太多嘢啦，睇唔切。我而家用手機睇㗎，即係我手機個 mon 好細啫嘛，我睇唔切咁多。當然啦，如果你加咗會員嘅，我一定會首先答你個問題係。On TPT, is it better to do the 150K? Yes. For take profit trader, I only use 150K. So the reason is, I will let you see. Let me show you. Okay, so right now, this is TPT, right? Right now, they are doing a limited time offer, which is 100% tax refund with my code Candice. So, okay, where is that? 150K. Here. So the reason why is when you get a pro stage. Did you? So, they didn't show it here. Yeah, okay, here. So first you get the eval, which is test, and then when you pass it, you will get to pro. And the way that can transfer you from pro to pro plus is to make 10K a day in one account. So if you use 50K, you have only what? 2,000 buffer and 6 contract. But if you use 150K, 4,500 buffer and 15 contracts. So you can see which account is easier to get to 10K in one day. Definitely 150K, right? Definitely 150K. And when we get to Pro Plus, what is the benefit for getting to Pro Plus is a live account, so you get 90% profit split. And also, it's end of day drawdown, EOD. And of course, you still get daily payouts, and you can get maximum 5 accounts for Pro Plus. So the best case scenario is getting to Pro Plus. And after you shift to Pro Plus a few times, they will, like the support will contact you and telling you, you don't have to go through the pro stage anymore. So next time when you pass the test account, you will go straight to Pro Plus. No more pro stage. That is the benefit of getting to Pro Plus. Also, this is the reason why we have to use 150K for take profit trader. So you can see I use different account size with different prop firms because that's gonna depends on the rules, the trading rules, the payout rules, everything. So, and right now you get 100% tax refund. That means the cost is nothing. I mean, because like normally you have to pay more for larger account size, but right now you don't. Or account size is gonna be 0 because you get the tax refund. How often do you stream? I will like resume the streaming frequency, I'll say next month. not this month, because this month, like, I mean, this one is vacation period, the liquidity, the market condition is just it's not suitable for trading, especially for beginners. I mean, if you're like good at trading, you can still trade, but if you're beginners, just avoid trading this. And that's no point for keep doing live stream during this month. Okay, welcome Chris, our new member. We got a new member here, Chris. Yeah, I quit forex and moved to futures in, I think, 2023. Yeah, TBD pays for your data fee. Those transport core top step, back then they need you to pay for your own data fee. Don't you guys feel bored because I'm not trading right now? I know many of you come to this stream to want me to show you some trades. And actually, every live stream, I try my best to demonstrate some trades. Even it's just a like small scalping. But today, really, just not that case. Just not a scenario that I would like to take any trade. Believe me, I mean, the most disappointed person is me because I want to make money, but I didn't see anything.琴日 琴日 FOMC 完，係啊，所以都冇咩好做。Not bored, trading needs patience. Exactly. And also coming to live to chat with everyone gonna make me become more patient. Because I'm not gonna take any trades because of boredom. I'm occupied by live streaming. 如果一個50K 嘅 account， 你會俾幾多次機會2000 buffer AG？ depends 係 eval 定係 fund account。eval 嘅話你就一注過就 OK 嘅啦。咁但係如果 fund account 嘅話，我自己就會分4次咯。你話2000 buffer 啊嘛，咁我就會用分4次咯，500、500、500咁樣。咁當然你都可以再分細啲嘅，譬如你250一次，咁你可以咪有8次機會咁樣。咁但係因為其實好 depends on 你嘅 trading strategy。如果你有啲人唔係好接受到 tight stop loss 噶嘛，for example 你 trade NY session 嘅話，你好難好 tight 嘅喎 stop loss。你點樣即係你去到盡，你都總要可能15 points 咁樣，即係你可能5 points 咯。我覺得 NY session 唔會每一次都可以做到5 points 咯，所以你都要預翻少位。如果你 trade NY。我冇移民喎，我冇移民，大家唔好誤會，我唔係移民啊。有冇香港 trader？ 你哋有冇香港 trader？ 你哋多數睇 forex 多啊，定係睇 IG 多？因為我唔係好用 IG， 所以我唔知我需唔需要俾啲心機去整啲 content 喺 IG 度咧？ 因為 Flash 就好簡單，即係打字啫嘛。咁但係你 IG 你點都要有啲相，咁但係我想 post 嗰啲相之餘，我又唔想太多 privacy 露咗出，即係我唔想俾人知我 exactly 住緊呢個 location 咯，即係咁唔係幾好啊，係嘛？即係咁，但係如果我想影我周邊我生活環境，我點都會影到我日常生活嘅 location 嘅喎，所以我喺度諗點 post 相咁樣。吹。May you explain why you don't see anything as a lesson when not to chase? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. What is this? For AMD, what is this? And what is this?你哋個個都講 Flash 因為你哋全部都喺 Flash 度見到我，因為冇人係一開始喺 IG 度見到我，所以個個都話 Flash。Well, actually, for anyone, if you want to like move out from Hong Kong or I don't know from your country, actually Dubai is a decent place. I wouldn't say I love it, but like it's okay. It's okay. You know, for us, for Hong Kongers, when we say it's okay, it's actually quite good. You understand what I mean? It's okay, not bad. I mean, it's actually very similar to Hong Kong. Everything here, it's like if you like city life, is a great place because you can get everything just on your app. For example, I can get my like maintenance stuff. I can get my cleaning stuff. I can get anything with just the app. Like they will be on my store staff for like after an hour. Because like as I know from, for example, in UK, if you want to get someone to fix your, for example, your pump, your pipe, or your lighting, it's hard to find someone to fix it, right? The blue collar work. But here it's easier. It's not very expensive. It's just in a reasonable price. 喺外國 Che 個心理狀態會唔會好啲？No, I don't think it affect my mental stage. I think the energy level is different because like London session start in like 11 a.m. Eastern time, 11 a.m. in my local time. But in Hong Kong, it start in 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. So I have to adjust my sleep cycle. So when I was still living in Hong Kong, if London session starts in 2 p.m. local time, Hong Kong time, I will make myself to wake up at 12 noon. So I can't wake up too early because my energy level will decrease at like 2 p.m. if I wake up at 8 a.m. So I gotta adjust my sleep cycle. 杜拜請姐姐有，但我冇，我係即係家務助理，我就係請嗰啲，即係姐姐係住埋你屋企噶嘛，住埋你屋企嗰啲都有噶，但係係咯，我唔需要。Cost of living is that cheaper than Hong Kong? Well, it depends. I mean, for housing cost is cheaper than Hong Kong, definitely. I mean, I'm not gonna get the location, the view, everything, and the space with the same amount of money in Hong Kong, for sure, right now. But other costs, would say like if you want to dining out, if you want to dine out, it's kind of expensive. Not very expensive, but slightly expensive than Hong Kong. Slightly, just slightly. And if you like drinking alcohol, like me, that's why I'm called Tipsy Trader. Here we got 30% tax for alcohol. Oh my god, 40%. So it's gonna cost you a lot of money if you want to drink wine or beer, anything. Okay. And if you don't drink, you'll be fine. Do you buy Ferrari in Dubai? I bought a Ferrari Lego. I love Lego. You guys know that, right? I'm a nerd. I'll post it on Instagram. Like maybe tomorrow. I don't want to drive. I don't like driving. I got a driving license like 10 years ago. I got it. 仲要係棍波車牌嚟㗎. But I just don't like driving. I got it because I think it's kind of a necessary skill, like driving skills is something necessary for everyone. That's why I learned it. But it's so convenient to get a taxi here. It's just like Hong Kong. I mean, you call a taxi on your app. After like 5 minutes, it will be on outside of your building or your villa. So it's not very necessary to drive. Queen of London. It's easy. Not 40, 30, 30%. 30%. Yeah, I have to save money for alcohol. Maybe it's not a bad thing. I mean, I definitely drink less here because of the tax. Because it's just, yes. And also for the health, of course. You don't have money for that alcohol tax. Hey, come on, you don't drink every day. Come on. I'm reducing it like two glass in 1 week. So it's not every day anymore. Okay, so for the indicators, if I mentioned it before, let me find. It's called market session. Where is it? This one, FX market session. Because I trade forex like a few years ago, and at that time I was using these indicators, and I think it's great, so I keep using it. So that's why it's a FX market session. And you can actually adjust the time and the color, everything. For example, time zone, I use New York time zone. So how many history do you want? Like I'm adding 50 because I want to see everything. You can change your name, the time, the color, everything. So yeah, I think it's something I want. Sober trader, no way, no way. You know, my personal trainer tell me to be sober, so I can like. No, I just say, I just simply tell him no, no, not a chance. I can reduce the portion and the frequency, but completely cutting out drinking, no. They don't understand that. They don't. They live a good life, so they don't understand why we need alcohol. Okay. So here, this relative equal low probably coming down here. I mean, this is just shit. This is trash session. I don't want to take it at all. From here to here take you an hour. 1 hour to go from here to here. Bro, this is shit. We are looking for manipulation towards Asia. No, we're not looking for anything. We're waiting for new session. You don't trade this session. I mean, like, after expansion like this, you only got accumulation. So you either go sleep, go to sleep, hit the gym, or watching Netflix, or studying ICT. Just do any other things you want, but not trading. Or you watch my live stream, but not trading. Just, you need to understand when is the time to stop trading and when is the time you can look for some setup. You don't do it like, oh, it's the session again, let's trade. Not like that. It's just not ideal for trading. You stop. You can tape read. We are just like what we are doing right now. We tape reading. I actually get everything set up. Like, I got my trader fee ready, my trade copier, my ninja trader. I got everything ready. I really want to take trades, but when I turn on the charts and see this Asia session, I know, okay, I can take a day off, at least for London session. Trading view set up 好亂，唔明咩 set up 好亂。To do martial arts, is that racist? Bro, what kind of question is like that? Is that racist? Like, do you do martial arts? What the fuck is that? 你覺得係純 ICT 定係有用入其他 theory 一齊用？咁首先我喺學 ICT 之前，我有學過好多其他唔同嘅 concept 嘅，OK 係講緊係我真係我俾錢去買 course 嗰啲，我都有啦，睇書我又有啦。咁同埋我有講過我係有考過 CMT 噶嘛 ，Charter Market Technician，所以嗰啲 basic 嘅 technical analysis 我全部都已經學咗，兼考埋 pass 咗嘅，所以我係識嗰啲 theory，識嗰啲 indicator 嘅，全部都識嘅。只係咧，即係你 pass 咗個 CMT exam 唔代表你識 trade 噶嘛，係完全冇關嘅嘢嚟㗎。因為其實 CMT 其實就係考你讀書啫嘛，即係唔係考你 trading 咯，根本就即係考你理唔理解我本書上面講嘅嘢啊？你理解 OK 嘅，背翻晒答案同埋計翻晒啲 formula 出嚟，咁解嘅咋。咁但係 trading 咧就係肯定係 ICT concept。You need to know martial arts to fight. In terms of martial arts, it's been a while for me. Like, I haven't watched UFC for quite a while. I mean, because of the time zone here, I can't watch. I mean, it's crazy. I mean, I have to wake up 3 a.m. to watch UFC. I can't. So I skip a lot of UFC fight lately. 咩 Wingo Sir 冇喎，唔知咩嚟。我成日都覺得嗰啲自稱即叫自己做阿 Sir 嗰啲咧，唔知唔覺得怪怪地嘅咩？真係唔知啊！呢、個即係我唔無啦自稱自己做乜乜 Sir 嗰啲都好古怪，我覺得。啲圖表唔知點樣設定比較好，整得好簡潔。你 cap 張圖啊，你 cap 張圖擺 Discord，我睇下係咩樣，因為我唔係好知你而家個圖係點。So, no, I think it's still gonna go down. I think it's still gonna go down. But it's a choppy market, so probably go up again and then go down. just don't trade it with your funder account, okay? If you want to trade, just take those trades on you found. Dubai street tour? No, I'm gonna expose what is my location, so no. Did you guys join my free Discord? You can find the link down in the info box. Because you will get the latest information if you join it. Because I'm not gonna announce anything on social media because it's in public, right? Social media, but in Discord it's more private, and I don't really have to afraid of how other people is gonna judge me because it's inside my Discord group. So if you want, everything, if you have any other question you want to ask, you can join Discord. It's free. Will you do the live streaming NY session tonight? I don't know it yet. It depends. I mean, if I'm tired, it's evening time for me. I think it's 6 p.m. or 5 p.m. for me. So, yeah, I don't know it yet. We'll see. But I gotta say, most of the time I only stream during the London session. Okay, I see your chat. What? Wow, your chat looks very messy. I gotta say, what is that? Well, if you have a small monitor, don't use that for chart layout on one screen, right? Because I think your monitor is quite small with that picture. And you don't really need to. Okay, I see. So you want to look at 1 minute, 5 minute, 1 hour, and 4 hour at the same time. That's why you divide it into 4 chart, right? Which is not. You don't have to use that. This indicator ICT high timing candles. You can find it. It's free. You can find it here. So when you use that, you will have a higher time frame candle for you, and you can adjust it. So for example, I only show the daily candle, and if you want, you can show the 4 hour and 1 hour or weekly, right? So you don't have to open another chart to see the daily candle, how the daily candle is moving. I can see it on the same chart. So just use this indicator, ICT high time frame candles. And for example, if you want to use 4 hour, so I only use one candle. That you can add many candles, like 10 candles. You can see it all here, which I don't need it. So that's why I don't use that. So for example, if I want to see 2 days, okay, it will show me 2 candles. So you just adjust it here. Then you can reduce the layout into one chart. Okay. Three a.m. for you. So where are you guys come from? Like which country are you guys coming from? I want to know like the audience, what the location of my audience, the population of my audience. Hong Kong. Oh great, we got Hong Kong traders here. English but living in Thailand. So I can see that my friend's account is working because I didn't get much Hong Kong traders before. I mean, most of the time it's only English speaking traders watching my live stream. From New York. So it's mainly British, New York, Hong Kong, Germany. I mean, but if you're living in New York right now, it's like middle of the night for you, isn't it? Hungary. Great. So it's Europe. Oh, so boring. 咁多香港人嘅，今日咩事？好神奇喎，真係。之前真係冇，之前話想揾一個香港人都好困難，而家突然間咁多嘅。Sweden. How many days prior of outage do you use? Oh, you just use. I mean, when I'm trading, I only use that day. For example, if I want to trade New York session today, I'll use the today's outage gap for the New York session. 你喺香港已經出咗名，唔好啊大佬，我驚啊！我發現到咧，我有啲 friend 啊，大學同學，跟住 follow 咗我 flex 咯，好驚啊！其實我一開始用 Twitter 就係唔想俾啲識嘅人見到啊，而家有識嘅人見到，我而家好驚啊！其實咁又不過我都唔係做啲咩嘅，只不過係即係唔係好自在咯，個感覺係。新嚟識咗應該冇1個月。Oh, okay. So 咁因為第一次睇 live stream 咯。Ah, I see. Because of the YouTube video. Okay, so it's working. My content creation is working. 唔好，我唔接受採訪。我已經收到好多採訪要求，我唔接受採訪，暫時唔接受住。唔好啊，唔好 interview 我啊，唔好。喂，唔好啊，玩太大啊！Simon 玩太大呢個唔得。May you go over all your other indicators? I mean, just mainly the market session. I mean, I don't use others. I rarely use these high timing candles. I gotta be honest. Mainly the M1 end dot RTH gap indicator, the equal high equal low indicator, and the market session. That's all. So it's not like an indicator telling you when to get into a trade. It's just a level, show me the level. Like for example, this equal high equal low, it show me where the liquidity pool is. Sometimes you may like miss it because you get so many things, so many lipstick on your chart. So this one can show you. And this is for the time, because time and price, okay? We don't only trade the price, but also trade the time. So the market session is important. And the M1 end dot is also like one of the PD array that we have to keep an eye on. So that's all. We use short. I'm not gonna short here because like the minor liquidity pool is here, and if you short here, it just you can't make much. You gotta have a large stop loss for this short. It's literally 1-to-1. The risk reward ratio is gonna be 1-to-1, so it's not worth it. And if you're targeting like down here, this or this, you still need a larger stop loss for it. And with this wick, it go for free 1 hour FVG and go up again. No, I'm not gonna take any trades. It just sucks. It just sucks. I mean, if you want to trade in eval, it's okay, but like, no, I'm not gonna trade on my fund account. Why would I? Like, why? I mean, I still got a pre-NY session. I still got a NYAM, NY lunch, NYPN session. I got so many sessions in one day. Why would I have to trade right now? For what? For what? No. 平均一個交易日做幾多個 trade 啊？冇啊，冇定幾多個 trade，但我有定 risk 咯，即係譬如我 daily risk 係 for example 1000、2000或者3000，即係 depends on 你 account size 同埋你個 account balance 啦。咁樣我譬如如果你定咗1000蚊，咁你過咗個 risk，你咪唔好 trade 咯，即係你轉第二個 account 咯。咁就冇話幾多個 trade 嘅，因為你1000蚊你可以係10個 trade，可以係一個 trade 噶嘛。其實應該唔會一個 trade 嘅，但係我諗起碼最少都2個啦，係啦。 So you change new. Of course, I change new session. Is that even a question? You crazy or something? Everyone change new session. Okay, everyone, literally. It's not because of the volume. It's because of AMD. Bro, did you just come into my stream? I talk about that so many times. It's just like people like that. Like, if you like that, don't join my course, please. If you're not committing, if you're not willing to learn, put in the work, don't come. I don't need your money. Just save it for yourself. And also, if you join the YouTube member, you can like link your Discord account to your YouTube account, so you will get your special role inside my Discord. But I need to make it.師姐着咗，唔算着咗噶啦，真係我都冇講粗口，係咪先？所以我用英文直播好處就係咁，我唔會講粗口，因為我唔係好識英文嘅粗口。如果用廣東話直播就危險啦，就即可能成個 live stream 都係粗口。Have you sent out the free Tradify code? What do you mean? You mean giveaway? Of course. I mean, I sent out every giveaway. If you didn't, I think if you didn't redeem that code, I mean, it's already expired. That's what I think. I mean, it's like 1 month ago. So the Discord link is down in the info box. You can scroll down and you can find the Discord link. About the course, you will get the details during the weekend.唔好引我講粗口，你哋唔好咁樣，唔好。我嘗試緊懶斯文嘅，嘗試緊走文青路線，雖然做唔到。你哋有咩 content 想睇啊？我諗下。首先我要講剪片真係好困難，剪片真係好困難。 即係我唔想去出多啲 YouTube 片，但係真係好困難。即係我唔係嗰方面嘅專家。我知 CapCut 已經好容易用嘅，但係對於我嚟講都仲係好困難。我盡咗力㗎啦，盡咗力㗎，嘔咗2條片出嚟，盡咗力㗎啦。如何解決 overtrade 嘅問題？咁首先要知道點解你會 overtrade 先咯，係咪？即係我哋知道原因先解決到。你 overtrade 係因為你啱啱輸咗，所以你想快啲補翻個 losses 定係你可能有 financial burden，我唔知你嚟緊要交學費或者俾家用定供樓，我急住要用呢筆錢，所以我想快啲賺到，定係咩原因咧？係即係可以係好 private 嘅原因嚟嘅，未必係即係我想證明俾某個人睇我係得嘅，呢個亦都可以係其中一個原因。咁你知道咗個問題先至做到，但係解決到嘅。Final couple is easier. Final couple is better than like CapCut. Serious? Really? Session you prefer to trade? Well, that is because of my time zone. I basically only trade London session and NYAM session. So if you're like living in the US, it's probably different. So it will based on your time zone. 想知道你點解落呢條 chain？我落咗咩 chain？乜嘢啊？我幾時落咗 chain 啊？乜啊？咩啊？OK，我就同大家玩到4點啦。通常都 live stream 都係2個鐘左右嘅，因為2個鐘之後我就攰㗎啦。我仲未食早餐啊，食咩好呢？今日？Are you looking to trade? If they make a large move during this session, I'll consider it. But right now it's consolidating. So no, I am tape reading. Tape reading only right now. And actually tape reading is so important. You have no idea how much time I spend on tape reading. I tape reading all day, and I even dream of the candlestick when I'm dreaming, when I'm sleeping. So I spend that much time to study trading.啲片可以講多啲點解落呢條 trade， 點解走。我會喺嗰個教學裏面講，喺我嘅 course 度講課程。 好，我有啲攰啦，然之後又冇 trade，大家冇嘢問。So I think it's pretty much enough for today. I mean, like, there's no setup, no ideal setup. I mean, if you want to trade a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, yes, there's gonna be one-to-1 setup, but I'm not gonna take that. And with this Asia session, I mean, that is what we expected with this Asia session. We already know that, like I talked about that right at the beginning of the stream. We got this expansion, we will get nothing during London, but still, it's good to prove the standpoint of AMD. And actually, it's actually good for all of you who didn't trade for today's London session. That means you are progressing. You know when to stop trading and when to find setup. So if you take any trades during this London session, you still have a long way to go because you're not disciplined enough. No matter it's a winning trade or losing trade or what, you shouldn't trade right now. And if you take any on your funder account, just you need more time to study. The course will start in January and the application will start next week. 想問頭先點解唔試？喂，我講咗成個 stream 咯喎，我講咗成個 stream，你仲問我點解剔完 buy side 唔試？你咪玩嘢？重新睇過，麻煩你由頭開始睇個 stream，我明明講咗10次。爭一兩個剔就中。我明你講咩。咁有時咧，我會譬如 for example 啦，你見呢個 level 係470.75，我可能會係 one point 咯，即係我會 one point above 呢個位，我會咁做咯。即係譬如for example，如果我個 position 比較大少少，譬如可能唔係 one mini 係 3 or 4 or 5嘅話，咁有時咧佢係如果你係 exactly 呢個 level 咧，佢會 fill 唔晒個 order。咁如果你係 one point above 咧，係賺少咗啲啲，但係就會確保你一定 fill 到你嘅 order 咯。咁就唔會咁容易出現嗰啲爭一 tick 先至 TP 到嘅問題。1-to-1 is fine. Well, it depends on your win rate. If you are 90% win rate, of course 1-to-1 is fine. But you have to backtest first, backtest your trading strategy. And tell you what, most of the traders can get 90%. So that means what? That means 1-to-1 with a lower win rate, that is unprofitable. So 1-to-1 is fine when you get a fucking high win rate, which you don't have. I don't know 幾錢左右，我唔知。I didn't. It's not me to manage that part. What I only manage the education part, the content. Any other thing is not me in charging. 多數 in 1 to 2係最少1 to 2我會。咁當然啦，你話 1 to 1，但係即係 for example 你個 stop loss 係50點、100點嘅，咁 1 to 1實得㗎。咁你因為你 TP 係會 TP 100點啊嘛，咁但係唔知真係好戇鳩咯，我覺得。即係1 to 1，即係1 to 1.5，我覺得都 OK，但係1 to 1真係唔係唔得咯，即係唔係唔得，但係你真係要好 high win rate。如果你係已經成功做到 high win rate，然之後 1 to 1嘅話，咁其實你都唔需要嚟睇我 live stream 啦，係嘛？你唔使聽我講嘢啊，你應該好勁㗎咯。大部分人都做唔到。係咯，1.5都要，譬如 J cap 好似都係1.5，係咪？1 to 1.5，1 to 1，我知係有啲人係做 1 to 1，都有。For example like hedge fund 都會做 1 to 1㗎，唔一定話即係我哋 retail trader。咁但係人哋有晒 record 有晒 strategy 嘅咯，即係我哋唔係嘛。It's not expensive. I won't say anything's expensive because you can cover those costs. 哇，好悶啊！今日 stream 冇嘢玩，我想 trade 啊，冇嘢玩添。Usually it's not that boring for my live stream, but because we don't have any trade setup. Okay, so that's it for today. We'll see next time if we can get any trade. When we get a better market condition. I mean, no trade is a great thing too. I mean, at least we didn't lose money. And even if I really take any losses, it will be right in front of all of you on this live stream in real time. I'm not gonna like hide my trade or delete my losing trade, something like that. It will be on here, on the stream, everything. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you, everyone. I appreciate your time, for real. I mean, as I just said before, your time and my time is actually so precious than anything. So the fact that you're willing to spend your time with me here and interacting on the chat, I'm grateful. And will you guys come to my next stream if I stream again? Maybe, I don't know, maybe this week or next week. Will you guys come again? Will you join the stream again? Okay, good. Thank you. Thanks, everyone. And for those who didn't join the free Discord, click the link down in the info box so you will get all the updates from me inside that Discord. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye. 走啦，我走啦，我去食早餐啦。我